Hello guys, welcome back to CTF Mania, and today we will be solving a machine called BTR Sys version 2.1. This is an easy difficulty machine. It is available on offsec playgrounds. You can create an account there, or you can download the file from Vulnhub and go ahead and host it on your VMware or VirtualBox environment and go ahead and solve this machine. But then again, this is also a beginner friendly machine, just like SAR that we had solved in our last video. If you guys haven't seen that video, I would say please go ahead and check that video out. I hope you guys will enjoy that video. And if you guys are new, please let me inform you that this channel is all about CTFs and cybersecurity, and all about any kind of walkthroughs that you need. Doesn't matter, it could be from Hack the Box or it could be from the offsec playgrounds. We will be covering that in this channel. So please let us know if there is any specific machine in the comment section that you would like me to solve. So right now let's just go ahead and solve BTR Sys. I have already downloaded the file, and right now I just need to turn it on, and let's go ahead and do a network scan, perform a network scan, and get to know the IP address of the machine. Let's go. I'm sorry. Net discover. We will. So this command basically, it allows me to scan the network and find out what IP address my machine is hosted on. So right now it says here it's 192.168.0.112. Okay, that's good. Let's switch to root again and let's run a scan on that machine again. Hold on. So I'm going to go ahead and do nmap 112. Okay, so nmap is a network scanning tool. So basically it scans a particular machine's ports and lets us know what services are running over there. For example, in this case we have port number 21, which has the FTP protocol, file transfer protocol, and we also notice that anonymous FTP login is allowed. What does this mean? So this basically means that I can go ahead and type this command, FTP 192.168.0.112, and I can basically type the username as FTP and just don't type any password and just hit enter. Boom, you're inside. So remote login was successful. I can go ahead and view if there are any files. Am I doing it right? There is a dir command, right? Yeah. There are no files. So yeah, its FTP was not really helpful to us. So, but there's also the port number 80 that we can check out. So we will go ahead and paste this IP address on our browser, and let's see what it shows us. Okay, there's a snake GIF thing. So if we go ahead and inspect the page, there's nothing but just a GIF over here. We can also check for robots.txt, just like in the last machine. There we go. It says WordPress. So I'm going to go ahead and write WordPress. Okay, seems like they have given us a clue in the start. It is a WordPress website. Let's go ahead and click on login. Okay, it is a WordPress admin page. So the default credentials for the WordPress admin page is admin and admin. So username stays admin and password stays admin as well. Not now, I don't want to save it. And we have gained access to the admin page of WordPress admin page of BTR Sys machine. So let me remind you, this particular default credential will not be the same for all machines. This was an easy machine, that's why probably the author of this machine decided to keep it as admin and admin. Okay, anyways, so now that we're here, let's try to get inside the system. Anyway, so let's go to themes. So I want to edit the themes since we have the admin access. And what do we see here? There is a PHP reverse shell code in this particular file right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I could make changes here, but then again I want it to reflect when we are trying to cause an error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire code. I'm going to copy this entire code, and after I copy the entire code, I'm going to take it to 404 template, and I'm just going to replace it over there. So as you can see, we have this replaced over here, and as you can see that this particular PHP reverse shell is from the pentest monkey. So we can go ahead and make changes over here and put our IP address. Once again, I think our IP address is 113 if I'm not wrong. Yep, it's 113. Alright, and then I'm going to change this to 1234, this port number. So now I'm going to set up my listener, which is the netcat listener. Netcat is again a network level tool which basically captures whatever request is coming to it when you set up the listener. And then again, right now that is exactly what we need. We need a listener so that we can capture a shell over here. Okay, and now we have set the IP, we have set the port. All I need to do is just update this, update file. So I'm going to remember this path. It's 2014. So it's in 2014 and 404.php. So I'm going to go and log out now, and wp content themes, then you have 2014 slash 404.php. Sorry. I think we have gotten a shell. Yes, there we go.
Yes, definitely.
So we have gained the initial shell. Just to confirm, yeah. So right now we have the access level of www data, and now I'm going to type the code for a Python stable shell. Hold on one second. Python 3-c, and we got import pty.spawn bin/bash. Okay, and okay, I think we have done some mistake. SPAWN, yeah, okay, that was a mistake. Anyway, so as you can see, the stable shell code has been executed, and now we can basically browse and see what all we have over here. Let's go to the home directory. cd btrs. As you can see, there are no commands over here. There is no like command as such, and sorry, there are no flags over here. I'm so sorry. So there are no flags over here. So usually when you download any VM from the one hub, chances are you might not find any flags over here. So that's completely fine. You can definitely find those flags in offsec playgrounds version of it. But if you are someone like me and who has downloaded it locally, if you're not able to get the flag, it's fine. Just know that it is the machine was made that way for Valhub. I really don't know the reason why they have done that. But anyway, we can go ahead and see some of the what do you call bash history files and everything for now. Let's see what we have at our disposal. We'll have to work with that. There's permission denied. Dot slash dot bash rc. Okay. I just need to look at the files once again. Oh, okay, there's MySQL history as well. I think I need to see what's inside that, because if we have something called as MySQL over here, oh, we don't have access to that as well. Sudo min successful. So right now all I'm doing is I'm just kind of skimming through all files and seeing if any useful information is available. Yeah. So long story short, most of the files, as you can notice, they have we don't have permission to access them, so we will have to find out another way of doing it. And to be frank, as of now, I can only think of only one way to go ahead with this. I don't want to try that just yet, you know what I mean. Anyway, so okay, we have something in www. So says bash history. As you can see, someone used this particular command to, so we will also use this command and see where it gets us. Paste clipboard, go. Okay, we are in SQL. I want to have a look at all the databases. So there we go, we have WordPress right there over here. So I can go ahead and try to see what's in WordPress. So I'm going to use WordPress. Okay, and I want to see the tables. Okay, so these are the tables over here. We have WP users. That's exactly, I think, what we want. You guys are welcome and free to explore any other table if you want. There's cron API, campaign, goals, IP filters, variation views, anything at all. And now I'm going to look at the users. So one second, let me just use the SQL query. Select star from wp underscore users. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So as you can see, we have the user name over here and the user password over here. The table looks a little haphazard, I know that, but it's probably because it is being represented here in the command shell, and there are two hashes over here. Let's see if we can go ahead and decrypt the root hash. Should be really helpful if we can decrypt it. Anyway, our go-to place for decrypting hashes, it's called Crackstation. We're going to go there. We are going to paste this particular hash, and it's going to ask us whether we are human or not. Standard security protocols. Okay, it wants me to select the bisect. There we go. It's not a bisect. And yes, I am a human. And yes, we have also gotten the password. And now I think we can go ahead and see if you can do something with the particular password or not. I'm gonna exit. Okay, so I am also going to see if I can switch to root with this password. I don't think I can switch from here. No, I don't think I can switch from here. Anyway, I'm going to exit the session. If you guys remember, there was one more port that was open, and that is the port number 22, which was the SSH port. So we are going to try and log into the SSH port, and we should be getting the access. Yes, and then root TOR. Okay, we have the root access.
Tight, yeah.
And normally I would, go to the root directory and just look for the flag, but as I told you already, since this is hosted on Vulnhub, they have removed the flags. So basically your BTR Sys 2.1 CTF ends here, and congratulations, we have gotten the root access. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you stayed till the end, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share this with as many of your friends as possible, or anyone who's interested in cybersecurity, because this is only the second video. I hope that I can grow this channel. I can go ahead and make more videos about more machines, hopefully intermediate and hard level as well, but right now I'll be focusing more on the easy level machines, so that I can get many people to come and watch and understand as well how CTF and how fun cybersecurity can be. And yeah, it was a fun machine. Usually the privilege escalation in this is not so easy as it looks, so I would recommend you guys watch my videos only and only if you guys have tried everything on your end, and then you go ahead and you just get stuck in a loophole. So anyways guys, that's it for today. Hope to see you soon in another video with another machine, and yeah, that's it guys. Take care and ciao.